Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Walter's Wallet, and I've used the app Dosh for a while now just as a way to earn extra cash back from a number of different merchants. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but I've seen their hotel booking options a few times and honestly, I've never paid any attention to it. But one evening while I was just playing around with their app, I decided to take a look at their hotel options since Dosh mentions getting up to 40% cash back. Which sounds great and all, but are the prices actually competitive? Or are they so inflated that their 40% cash back means absolutely nothing? Now, if you want a simple way to help out the channel, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, for transparency, I did want to let you know that this video is not sponsored by Dosh in any way, shape, or form. I just really enjoy looking into this stuff. So I decided to compare Dosh to Hotels.com, the Chase Ultimate Reward Portal, as well as booking directly with the hotel to see how it compared, because if Dosh is better, then that could be a great thing for people. And there were quite a few things that really caught my attention. Now, what I did is I looked at 5 different locations, both domestic and international, to see the overall prices. And all the rooms that I selected were the exact same in all of the examples. Now, I did want to price Hotels.com with a shopping portal as well, since that could be done for people. And the best example when I was searching for these rooms was Flu's offering 5% cash back. And since the rewards that you could be earning are going to be different based on the card you're using to make your purchase, I did leave credit card reward earnings out of the equation, but feel free to account for that when you're looking at your options for yourself. Now, taking a look at our first example, staying at the Hotel Eliseo in Rome from October 15th until October 22nd. Now, looking at the prices per night, they were all different. But booking direct was the most expensive in the cost per night, as well as the most expensive option overall, coming in at a little over $1,150. Then before you account for any cash back, Dosh actually has the highest total price, coming in at $1,252. But you are going to earn $188.29 in cash back from Dosh, which drops the net cost to $1,064 and some change, which is the lowest price of any of these options. Then Hotels.com, while it is the lowest cost per night, the total price is $1,203.35, but you would earn $60.17 in cash back, bringing your net cost to $1,143 and some change. Then the Chase Ultimate Reward Portal was the lowest total cost, coming in at $1,102. But since it didn't earn any extra portal rewards here, it finished second place behind Dosh. Now, a few things here caught my attention. The cashback earned from Dosh was greater than one night stay. Then after you account for the Dosh cashback you earned, it's about $50 cheaper than that of the Chase Travel Portal. So while it was the highest cost before cashback, the cashback reward you earned made it the best option. Then looking at our second example, staying at the Hilton Waikiki Beach from December 4th until December 11th. Now all of these prices, I've included the resort fee in the total price because this hotel does have a resort fee. But for the nightly price, Chase is way higher than all the other options, and Dosh is actually the lowest cost per night. But booking directly had the lowest total cost, coming in at $1,715.66. As for Dosh, the total price was a little bit higher, coming in at $1,732.50, but you would earn $72.23 in cash back, bringing your net cost down to $1,660.27, which this is the lowest cost in this example by about 3%. Then for Hotels.com, the total price is only lower than that of Chase, coming in at $1,797 and some change. And you would earn $77.82 from Flu's, bringing your net cost to $1,720.01. Then we have the Chase Travel Portal, which is way more expensive than everyone else, with a total cost of $2,085.25, which isn't even close to anyone else here in this example. And once again, we see Dosh not be the cheapest initial option when you look at the total cost, but the cashback reward that you would earn reduces the net cost where it's the best option here by about $55. Now, while Dosh is cheaper here than booking direct, if you're someone who values your hotel status and you want to use your hotel status, then Dosh may not be the best option for you, because Dosh is going to be treated like any other OTA. So you're not going to get your status benefits if you book through Dosh. But if you don't care about status or don't have it, then Dosh is the best priced option in our example. Then taking a look at our third example, staying at the Aqua Marina Beach Resort in Cancun from September 3rd until September 7th. Now this one is all sorts of crazy in pricing because there is a clear separation of pricing here. Both Dosh and booking directly with the resort are way more expensive than Hotels.com or even the Chase travel portal, and I have no idea why that is. Now, the total price for booking directly with the resort is $504, which actually ends up being the most expensive option for someone. Then we have Dosh, and Dosh was the highest price per night, and the initial total price was the highest as well. But you will be earning $143.30 in cash back, making it the second most expensive option with a net cost of $492.90. Then Hotels.com comes out actually as the cheapest option because while it has the same initial total price as the Chase Ultimate Reward Portal, Hotels.com, you are going to earn $15.90 back from flues, reducing your net cost to $302 and a couple pennies. Now, even with a large amount of cash back earned from Dosh, it's an absolute awful option here because it's about 63% more expensive than if you booked with Hotels.com. Now, I'm not sure why the huge pricing difference, but this is a sizable difference. Then in our fourth example, we're looking at staying at the Intercontinental in New Orleans from June 10th till June 15th. Now, we do see the nightly prices here be in the same ballpark, but that's about where the similarities end. Now, booking directly with the hotel not only was the highest cost per night, but it was also the overall highest option, coming in at $941.41. Then all the other options have the same initial cost at $892.40, but then the net cost between these options where it differs. With Dosh, you're going to earn $176.16 in cash back, which is actually more cash back than the cost of one night, which brings your net cost down to $716.24, which is far and away the cheapest option for this example. Then Hotels.com net cost would be $847.78, since you would earn $44.62 from flues, making it the second best option here. But with Dosh cash back being so high, it's over $200 cheaper than booking directly. I mean, even if you're someone who values status, that is a huge difference in price, and it might be worth foregoing your status benefits. Then for our fifth example, we're looking at Hotel Theodore in Seattle from July 23rd to July 27th. Now this example, again, really shocked me. Now all the prices per night were about the same, except Dosh was quite a bit cheaper than everyone else. But booking directly with the hotel would cost you $971.36, which is not the cheapest option here in this example, although it is the second cheapest option. Then we have Dosh, and the price before cashback is $887.24, which is already the lowest option here, but you're also going to earn $158.87 in cash back, bringing your net cost down to $728.37, which is the best priced option here. Then Hotels.com and the Chase Ultimate Reward Travel Portal had the same initial total cost, coming in at $1,064.58. But with Hotels.com, you would earn an additional $43.83 in cash back from flues, moving it slightly ahead of Chase with a net cost of $1,020.75. But once again, Dosh is ahead of everyone else here, and I didn't expect it to be the best price option before you even accounted for its cash back. Now, I have made plenty of these comparison videos of different travel portals, and I have to say, I'm actually pretty impressed by Dosh's prices. There were a few examples where it was hundreds of dollars cheaper than booking directly with the hotel, including chain hotels. But we also see them have a much higher price in Cancun, so it definitely isn't going to be the best option all the time. But outside of that Cancun example, it was pretty solid after you accounted for the cashback that you would earn. And that doesn't even include the credit card rewards that you would earn as well. And the cashback that you can earn is going to vary based on your location and the property that you would stay at. I mean, I saw cashback from as little as $2 for your stay to over $1,000 for your stay. And the prices for hotels went from very cheap to high-end luxury properties as well. And some of the cashback is more than that of the cost of one night stay, so it's almost like getting a free night or more at some of these properties. And when I look at their website, they do say they pull from a few different sources to get the best inventory prices, And then below that, they have terms to Expedia and Priceline, which if they get most of their inventory, let's say from Expedia, then why are there some big price differences between Dosh and the Chase travel portal since Chase is powered by Expedia? Also, something to remember are the hotels that you book with Dosh are non-refundable, and you may not want to deal with an OTA, especially after some of the stories people had dealing with OTAs during 2020, which that would be completely fair. But if you're someone who doesn't necessarily worry about status, you just want to get the best price, then I would say Dosh is definitely worth checking because their prices were pretty competitive as a whole, and the cashback that you can earn can be quite high even for mid-level and budget-level properties. And when you add in your credit card rewards, you have a lot of opportunity to save money for your stays. So tell me, have you ever thought about ever using Dosh for your hotel stays? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, take a look at the links down in the description below. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, feel free to share with them. And until next time, safe travel and take care.